welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a spring inspired look, and you guys, you don't even know how excited I am for spring. Like, cold weather that hurts your body when you walk outside is crappy enough. It's really actually beautiful outside today. It's really sunny and there's like these big white clouds outside. It's so pretty. So when I'm done filming this video, I'm probably gonna walk my dog and, you know, just go gallivant in the warm air and get some vitamin D because I need it. I'm dying. So I was super excited for spring. I was inspired by like the sunset, you know, very basic. We've got some like warm tone pinks, some like true gold shades on the eyes, and I just wanted to do something fun and colorful but still wearable at the same time. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then please keep watching. Boom boom, spring break beatdown. Yeah. Sounds kind of like a TRL party. You guys remember TRL? Like how they had that big spring break party? I would have loved to go to one of those. That was always my dream. Even when I was in like 7th grade, I was like, oh yeah, that's cool. So as you can tell, my brows are somewhat done. I have a little bit of blending to do, a little bit of, you know, perfecting to do. So they're kind of like a rough draft. So don't judge those just yet. But I do have some primer on my eyes. I'm gonna hop right into the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Hollywood Iconic Beauty Palette. And that's what she looks like. I'm thinking of doing some warm like pinks, like some pinks and some golds. Let's just go for it. For my transition shade, I'm gonna go with this peachy shade right here, which is Highland. Do you guys have any spring break plans? Anything you're excited for? I'm gonna be going to Florida here in couple weeks. I like to go with my family because they go every year for my niece. My niece is in, gosh, she's in like, I want to say 6th grade now. That's just insane to me. But my niece is in 6th grade and they go on a vacation every year. So I always like to go because, you know, I want to stay in her life and, you know, be close to her while she's growing up. I just always wanted an aunt like that was like really close to me. So I want to be that aunt for her. I love her so much. She's so cute. It's always nice to just get away and just spend time with my family. You know, after living in Pennsylvania the whole year, it's kind of nice to just have a little time with them. But as I mentioned in a previous video, I am moving back, so I'm sure I'll have enough time. Like, you know, it's one of those things where you miss them so much when you're not around them, and then all of a sudden you're like, you know, staying there for a couple weeks at their house, and you're like, all right, I'm ready to go back home. Take me away. I'm gonna go crazy with it and go for this hot pink shade right here. This is Tour. I hope it's not too pink, we'll see. Ooh, yes, it's pink, but you know what? I'm gonna go outside my comfort zone. It's okay if you get a lot of fallout. Like, I'm gonna, all this crap down here, I'm gonna clean that up in a little bit. I'm just gonna go where the wind takes me right now. Just applying that over a transition shade. Next, I'm gonna go for Red Carpet right here, right there, which is kind of like a, I want to say like a berry tone. By the way, these are all matte shades, you know, I'm working in the crease, so I like to keep it matte for the crease. These are freaking pigmented. I've never used this palette before. I was sent this palette in PR and I just never used it. I was thinking of giving it away, but I quite like it so far. Bam! That's bright, y'all. I'm gonna go for this J-Cat. It's like a cream shadow. This is in the shade Chrome Galaxy. This is so pretty. Yes. Gorgeous. As you can see, I'm kind of just applying that right into the inner tear duct and then just pulling it out to the center. I'm leaving this part right here blank. I don't know what I want to do there yet, but I do look crazy. Alright, let's maybe shoot for like a darker shade for the outer part. I want to do this shade right here. That'd be fun. Don't look at my nails, by the way. I just did a quick divvy on them before this video. They're all chipped and I just kind of painted right over the chipping, so, you know, it is what it is. Anyways, this is called Two Suns? Yes, we'll just call it that. Then just to blend everything, I'm using like cream matte shade just to get rid of this harsh line up here. Put it right underneath the brow. Lastly, I'm going to add Paramount right here to the inner tear duct just to add a little extra lightness. A little extra glow. And for liner, I'm going to use the Decay Scarlet liner. I think I'm just going to keep it simple without a wing. Just going to hit the lash line. Alright, so for mascara, let's just throw on some Better Than Sex mascara. I have to say I love the way this applies, and I love the way that it looks and the way it builds up. But I really hate the fact that it flakes after hours of wear. So that is one drawback of this mascara that I found. But other than that, it's really pretty, but it doesn't last as long as I'd like it to. Throw some lashes on. I feel like lashes bring dramatic looks like this to life. Like, it looks like okay right now, kind of crazy. When you put a lash on, it just like brings it there, you know? Clean up underneath my eyes. I usually just use some eye serum and a Q-tip, and I just kind of like clean it up, you know? Okay, to prime my face, I'm going to use the No Problem Primer by Touch in Soul. Oh no, my lash is lifting. I thought that it went on with ease, and now it's betraying me. Go back to your home. I'll fix them in a little bit, but let's just do the face first. I'm going to mix a little bit of this Charlotte Lacroix. This is like a CC cream. It's a little dark for my skin tone, so I'm going to mix it with a lighter something. I don't really know what I'm going to mix it with yet. Hello? Anybody home? Ah, okay. I'll mix it with some Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. I find that the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation is just a little bit too high coverage for me nowadays. I used to love it, but I've been going for, you know, more of a natural look lately. I think that's due to my skin just being like in its prime, you know? Like I haven't had many like crazy breakouts lately. For concealer, I'm just going to use this Urban Decay Naked Skin concealer. This is a fine concealer. It works just fine, but it's nothing that I'd probably repurchase if I ran out of it. I mean, I just feel like you can get a better deal using something else. It's not my favorite, so I'm trying to use it up as much as I can. Okay, you guys, don't judge me, okay, please, but this is what I'm going to blend it out with. This is like my favorite brush, but it broke today, and I'm just going to keep using it, okay? So, leave me be. I gotta glue it back together. I still have the handle somewhere. To set this bad boy, I'm using some Hyaluronic Hydra powder by Terry. So this look is going to be all about the bronze. So we're going to use this deck of Scarlet palette. This is my favorite palette. I don't know which number it is, but I'll try and find it for you guys. I never know, but I love this bronzer so much. It's just so like velvety and natural looking, except that I just like totally put way too much on, but that's a little blending can't fix. So not only is the spring look about bronzer, but it's also about the glow. So I'm gonna grab this shade right here. Let's see if that's intense enough for this look. Yeah, I like it. While we're at it, let's just do a little blush too. I'm going to use this pretty shade right here. This looks really nice. Oh, it's bright. Wow. Alright, for the lower lash line, I'm going to use this pretty mauvey purpley shade right here. And I'm just going to smudge that underneath my lower lash line. A little mascara on the lower lashes. Clearly I got sidetracked and curled my hair before I finished my makeup look, but to finish off the look, I'm going to use Screenshot by Colourpop. I want something light and kind of nudie.